If you will be writing WAEC for this year, 2025, you'll be writing WAEC, next WAEC 2025, I need you to focus, pay attention to this very important directive. This directive stipulates both how much you'll be paying, the specific amount for registration, the specific amount for monitoring, knowledge fee, the specific amount for CAS 1, CAS 2, and CAS 3, lab practicals, school running costs, state supervision, and all the rest. So I just want you to pay attention. They said, look at this. As part of His Excellency's efforts, by His Excellency, we're talking about Enugu State, effort to reposition education in Enugu State, the state government, Enugu State government, through the Ministry of Education, has concluded plans for a unified system of WAEC registration in the state. Now, if you be registering for WAEC in Enugu State, you can also ask me in the comment section for your own state. But this video, we're focusing on Enugu State. There are also some directives for your own state. You can ask me for that. You just need to know that the registration method for WAEC this year has a bit been modified. It's not business as usual. It's not done the way it is done. What Enugu State want to do is that all registration has to be unified. You know, the State Ministry of Education is taking charge of how all the schools register. Before now, schools register directly from WAEC, but I think the states, Enugu State, is unifying how all the schools and centers within the state under the ministry register. All eligible candidates are to pay directly to the state IGR. Look at the fees. I hope you are paying attention. Payment by all schools directly into Enugu State. So with this, you as an individual may not go and pay, but all the payments goes to the school, your school. Then the school now pays directly to Enugu State internally generated revenue. It is now the Enugu State will now go and pay directly to WAEC. They say fees. Registration fee 27,000, knowledge fee 300, monitoring 300, total 28,000. Then additional fees if you are in public school for this one, the first one 28,000 is basically for private schools and private centers. But if you are registered in a public school, you pay extra. Lab consumables, lab fee 2,000. That is practical. Continuous assessment scores, CAS, which is CAS 1, CAS 2, and CAS 3, 2,100. School running costs, additional 1,800. Additional 1,800. Then state supervision 600. That's additional 6,500. Recall that in the private school, if you are in private school, you may still have to pay for practical, CAS 1, CAS 2, CAS 3, school running cost, supervision. However, it may not be exactly 6,500. Of course, the private schools might be quite bigger, you know. The implication is that all schools, look at the implication of this important directive. All schools, both public, private, and mission schools within the state should not make direct payment to WAEC. The total amount to be paid by the private school student for WAEC into Enugu State IGR is 28,000. The total amount to be paid by public schools student for WAEC is 34,500. That is WAEC and PPSMB. All stakeholders in the educational sector are requested to adhere strictly to this directive. If you are within the state, this is important for you, and that is why here in our channel, Noble Tutorials, we are bringing it to your notice. But if you are not within the state, you can also ask me for the directive in your own state, and we will make it available to you. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel right now, come under this video and tell me you are subscribed. I will send you syllabus, past questions for your WAEC. And if you need syllabus That's areas of concentration. If you need past question, if you also need me to send you the timetable once it comes out, just subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Tell me you have subscribed. You can also go to our channel and watch most other videos we have made. Copy this, share this video to your friends and your classmates that will also be writing the exam. As usual, we wish you all the best in your examinations. Thank you.